In this video, I'm going to be talking about using be going to and the present continuous to talk about future events. Hi, I'm Charlie. Welcome to Organic English. I'm here to help you become more fluent in English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use be going to and the present continuous to talk about future events. First, we're going to take a look at some examples, and we're going to break down how to form the construction be going to and the present continuous when talking about the future. Then we're going to listen to some short conversations that'll put all of this in context for you. So stick around. Don't forget, look in the description below. There'll be a link to a transcript which will help you to follow along. So go ahead and download that. So let's take a look at how we use the present continuous or be going to when we're talking about future events. So when we're talking about future events, we're talking about something that is planned. So we're pretty sure it's going to happen. Let's use these two examples to see how we form the present continuous and be going to. So the first one, I'm going to the cinema tonight. I'm going to go to the cinema tonight. Let's first take a look at the present continuous. I'm going to the cinema tonight. So, as you know, I'm going is a contraction of I am. So let's uncontract that. Let's expand that. Am is the present simple of the verb to be, and going is the verb go plus ing. I'm going to the cinema tonight. Here are some other examples. I'm doing my homework this evening. She's starting college in September. Sally is meeting John at 7 p.m. Now let's take a look at be going to. How do we form this? I'm going to go to the cinema tonight. Now again, I'm is a contraction of I am, so let's expand that. We use the present simple of be again, plus going to and the verb, but the base form of the verb. So in this case, it's just go. I'm going to go to the cinema tonight. Here's a few other examples. I'm going to do my homework this evening. She's going to start college in September. Sally is going to meet John at 7 p.m. So you're probably wondering, what's the difference between present continuous and be going to when we're talking about the future? Now, if you really study grammar, you'll probably find some people that say that the present continuous is used when we're talking about a fixed plan which has a definite time or place. So a very solid plan. Whereas we use be going to when we've decided to do something, but we haven't arranged it yet. So right now it's just an intention. We intend to do something, but we haven't done very much to make it happen. But I don't think in real life, in a real conversation, a native speaker would stop to think, which should I use? Be going to or present continuous to talk about the future? So, long story short, most of the time we can use them interchangeably. Be going to and the present continuous. The person you're speaking to will not hear the difference. For example, I'm going to the cinema tonight. I'm going to go to the cinema tonight. To my ear, they mean the same thing. However, there is one time when we should use be going to and not the present continuous to talk about a future event. and that is when we are making predictions. To make predictions about the future based on evidence that we have right now, on present evidence. For example, I heard thunder. It's gonna rain. Hurry up. We're gonna miss the bus. Liverpool has a very strong team. They are going to win the championship. Now let's listen to those short conversations. We'll listen to each one twice. The first time, there will be no subtitles. The second time, there will be subtitles. And there will be a pause after each phrase, so you can repeat the phrase and practice your pronunciation. Don't forget, there is a link in the description for a transcript. You can download the transcript, and that will help you follow the conversations. What are you going to do for summer break?
I'm going to study Japanese in Japan.
Nice. Where are you going to study?
I'm not going to take any classes. I'm just going to live there and learn the language.
Great idea. You're going to learn a lot.
I hope so. I'm going to really focus on learning Japanese naturally. I'm going to talk to as many people as I can every day.
Let me ask you, did you notice how I pronounced going to? It sounded more like gonna. Gonna. I'm gonna go swimming. I'm gonna swim. What are you gonna do for summer break?
I'm going to study Japanese in Japan.
Nice. Where are you going to study?
I'm not going to take any classes. I'm just going to live there and learn the language.
Great idea. You're going to learn a lot.
I hope so. I'm going to really focus on learning Japanese naturally. I'm going to talk to as many people as I can every day. Why are you leaving early?
I'm going to the dentist.
Why? Do you have a toothache?
No. I'm just getting my teeth cleaned.
Well, if you're leaving early, I'm leaving early too.
Okay, that's fine with me.
Why are you leaving early?
I'm going to the dentist.
Why? Do you have a toothache?
No. I'm just getting my teeth cleaned.
Well, if you're leaving early, I'm leaving early too.
Okay, that's fine with me. Don't forget to go to organicenglish.club, where you'll find all sorts of other resources that will help you become more fluent. Thanks for watching. Now go out and practice your English.